I've been working on my thing and it works. It works amazingly. I'm so ready to publish it, but I can't. I can't because this is my license TXT. As you can see, the stats for it are tragic. 0 lines, 0 bytes. So I'm gonna fix that today. I actually did some research, and the big thing that I'm a big fan of is copyleft. I really want to have copyleft. But copyleft licenses usually restrict the user in some way, right? Whether it's how they use the software, it's how they can distribute the software, where they can embed it, especially, right? So the class path extension fixes all of GPL for me personally, right? It's like, yo, if you just want to statically link the binary, do it. Like, I don't really care, right? Statically or dynamically, whoever modules is making a combined work, and the terms can wait. Is it? Yeah, yeah. There's a special exception right here. You can just do that. You can link it with whatever you want. You can do whatever. I don't really care about that. But the thing I do care about is, whether you just take the whole thing and then you close source it and then you make it better, and then everybody just uses your closed source version. You absolutely don't want to have that. You absolutely don't want to have that. So yeah, I actually couldn't find the text for it, so I think I just stole it from somewhere. And God, bro, let me look for license. License is GPLv3. Well, that's impossible. Yeah, let me just find something. That's valid. That's valid. I'm gonna do that. And let me paste that right in. All right, so our license is already like mm, 680 lines. All right, so we have that. We have an exception. We have a little clause, and I also thought I should probably have some ethical restrictions, right? So the big thing that I was thinking about was like, yo, let me just include the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations. So I'm like, yo, let me dynamically link with it. So the recipient may not use this software for purposes that infringe in violation of the human rights, in violation, or the recipient may not. Let's just do all of this. Use the software in violation or of the human rights, whatever. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. See all of this. Right. I feel like that's just not, that's not definitive enough, but what can I say? What can I say? And oh yeah, I was also thinking like, yo, the Hippocratic license is kind of bad because it includes some things that just like make it super impossible. Like for example, the law enforcement module sort of prevents you from like using the software if you pay taxes, which I think is kind of awesome, but not a lot of people are gonna do that. So I was thinking of just including the mass surveillance module and the site module and just like copying that over. Right. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? So I read all of this, but let me do it like that. All right. 1, 2, and let me substitute 311. 3.11, 1.11 dot 2 dots. Right, right. That's it. You can't commit ecocide. I think there's some terminology that I wanna replace right here. No. No, this is fine. This is fine. I probably want to replace one thing. Oh no, it's defined here. It's defined here. It's fine. Reckless disregard for damage. Reckless disregard. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's that. I feel like that's clear enough for me at least. And the third one, I'm thinking, does this privacy, right to freedom of thought? Yeah. Shall be influenced with privacy, family, home, with correspondence, not to attacks one's honor and reputation. Everyone has the right to protection of law against such influence or interference or attacks. So yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. So we want to include that, and yeah, this one is I wanna, because this is a link right here. I don't really want to do any links, because that can change anytime. Let me indent it like that. Can I actually align it somehow? Center. Yeah, right here. And let me align all of that to the left. Let's go. Let me do linking exception. Okay, amazing. How is this? Oh wait, linking this. I'm gonna have my text formatted so nicely. I feel like a lawyer. I feel like a lawyer already. Let me do it like that. Let me do it like I like it this way. No, I like it this way. And let me just break some lines here. Dude, I love doing pros and BIM so much because this is just so good. This is so good. Uh, that's I probably don't want to have that, but yeah. Let me do ethical recipient. And why I'm saying recipient is because it's defined. It's already defined. PMs. Yeah. Licensees or recipients, maybe individuals or organizations. So just for the reason of it's already defined, I'm fine with this ethical limitations. All right, so that should be just fine. That should be all of it now. Maybe I want to modify the GPL a little bit more, right? Maybe the recipient amount use this auto invalidation of the because I had this opened up, but I'm not too sure about this. Do you know license? Maybe this is gonna have some more stuff. License MD. Here. Oh. Let's go. Abuse of human rights. How is that worded? Environmental destruction. Oh, the software may not be used by a recipient who promotes the violates or promotes the violation of. Dude, promotes or violates or promotes the violation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. See all of this. All of that is included. I just don't know why all of that is necessary here. This is lobbies against the rise of majority of income. Oh, wait. This is actually a little bit more. Violates. Does this is just mean? Uh, yeah. This is. What is that? Prevent. Ooh, wait. Violates this is lobbies against or otherwise. All right, this is quite nice. I think this is I'm happy with this. Yeah, so I think I can just publish that now. All right, let's go. So what we achieved here is we just pasted in the GPLv3, and uh, let me possibly one line to give the program's name. Yeah, it's gonna be 2026. and the name of offer is gonna be lung, not ling, lung. I'm not actually sure if lung is something that you want to put in your license, but yeah, I'm just gonna have it like that. No, show W. I mean, for details, type show W. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Might be different for a GUI interface you would use in the ballot box. You should also get your employer if you work as a programmer on school, if any, to sign the disclaimer. All right, so I will have to include this somewhere, right? How big is this? 37 kilobytes. Rebel. No, I think I just include all of this, like as a link, as a link. Help. Print usage. Am I recording? Oh yeah, I am. I am. For the source, prepare to license.md in the root of the source codes repository. The original is distri code is distri SMD. Let me just skills dot pages dot dev, because I think do I have this domain? I forgot. Yeah, I do slash revo slash license dot txt, and I can just include that, right? I can just include that. And I think I wanna chat 256 dot slash license dot txt, right? You wanna and then you want a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm actually not sure if that is the way that you want to do it. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to do it. I just made that up like now. But maybe that makes sense, right? Because this is the actual license that I'm going to distribute. I will probably not distribute the license with the binary, right? And this is just not something that has a universal identifier somewhere like registered. So this is the only way that I can distribute this and then make sure that when I actually publish this somewhere, I can't just change the license because it's the same thing. Unless it's like the post quantum age, in which case, I don't know. We're gonna have bigger problems if that happens. So yeah, let's go. I think the actual alignment on the text is like a little less. So set color column 60, no? Equals, oh, it's 80. It's 80. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Should have done it this way always. Oh yeah, no, this is fine. 80 characters. Let's go. So we do have this. We do have this. I'm not actually sure if I should modify this like a little bit so that it doesn't say just GNU GPL. No. I think it's fine though. I think it's fine. I can just distribute it like this. Right. Let's go. I'm proud of this. I'm proud of my work today. You know, I'll go over. Maybe I'll ask some of my friends. Maybe I'll ask like a chatbot somewhere, like a client. Probably not. No, it's not that serious, so I'm just gonna have it like this. So, I sat on it for a little bit, and I obviously fixed the things that you can't just do, right? You can't say that this is a GPL derivative, and you have to change the copyright, and you have to say that it's based on it, because it's not compatible with the GPL, right? The clause, no, section 10 does not let you impose any further restrictions. So that's what I just said. It is not compatible with the GPLv3, and this is a whole different thing. It just like takes a ton of it. It is inspired by but distinct from. Well, it is based upon but distinct from the GNU GPLv3, and the human rights thing. It is not very enforceable on individuals or companies, so that's more of a country level thing. So I just did it like this. I copied those things straight from the hypercorrect license. I rewrote them a little bit. Maybe I wanna establish it a little bit more. I don't know. Let me scroll up to the top. Right here, right? Maybe I just want to copy it straight up. I actually don't know. Uh, yeah, you know what? That's fine. I removed the links because I'm like, yo, you can't put any links in there. But now that I'm thinking of it, it's fine. It's fine. It's the same thing. So I can just do that, and then let me format this. All right. I was also thinking the mass surveillance module. But the thing is, this defines nothing. Be a government, whatever, which participates in mass surveillance programs. This is not defined. This is nowhere to be found. Survey. This is the only mention of this. Uh, and I couldn't really find anything else that tells me about this. So I don't know. And this whole thing, maybe I modified this a little bit. Maybe I want to just copy that straight up. Maybe I just want to copy that straight up. Did I? Oh no, I didn't. Oh yeah, I just modified the line numbers. No, I think I changed something else. No, no, I didn't. No, okay. So yeah, that's just fine. I changed up the copyrights, and I think this is actually very much fine, right? This is reasonable now. Well, I probably wanna, you know, uh, have this be consistent with everything. Oh, is it? Is it more? Yeah, I think this is more consistent if I put a new line here. Okay, yeah. So I can distribute myself with this. I also should probably include a flag, right? Show E, show, show W, show C. One of those. Yeah, maybe I'll just include this right here. I mean, not include this. Mm, do I though? Zig, build zone. I remember this thing. Right here. So somebody imported it somehow as a static string. Zig build zone at runtime. Right. Does that make sense? I think it does. Add options, and then we do embed file. Let's go. And I think this is just gonna be yeah, add embed file. And that's gonna return me a string. Let's go. License.txt. Right, and then in main.zig, I just embedded. What's unfortunate though? What's unfortunate is that this is 38 kilobytes. I'm not sure that's no. I think that's quite a lot. So maybe uh, read me. How do I do this? OSD, what's OSD? Open source initiative approved license, yeah. So they included the source. I don't really have to do this. Because I don't want to make my program bigger. Hello. Maybe I'll actually relicense it on like a normal license, but I just feel like more than something today. I feel like installing mods. That's what I live for. So yeah, let's go. I think this is fine now. Finally.